Oh, we are working on a very cool vlog. It's about Wilbur sharks. I'm taking my sharks that are on the beast since 2016. So more than 10 years and over 100,000 kilometers, which is more than 60,000 miles. They are suffering crazy riding with me and I'm taking there for service. It should have been done every 2 or 3 years or every 20, 30,000 kilometers. But German manufacturing, German quality, German perfection. Let's see how good they are. Watch these episodes, and in case you would like to see the full episode, visit martinthevlogger.com, the largest and the coolest blog and vlog about these amazing vehicles.